Water plays an important role in mining industry. Southeastern Coalfields Limited, Johila area, a coal producing major situated in the land of tribals and tigers of Bandhavgarh, is fully committed to reduce its water footprint. Availability of clean water for human consumption and irrigation is scarce in the area surrounding the coal mines of Umaria district. Hence, we have started a smarter water management, keeping in view the holistic use of mine discharge water. We drive mine water efficiently through technological interventions as well as water-saving behavioral change. The mine discharge water after sedimentation is dispersed to neighboring farms and town. Need for sustainable and cost-effective solution for the safe disposal of mine water presents the industry with its greatest challenge. SCCL Umaria sub-area has now come up with an ongoing integrated water management system. The project currently operates 24/7 and supplies 28,80,000 gallons of fresh water per day, out of which 23,40,000 gallons per day is used for irrigation and over 5,40,000 gallons per day is utilized for domestic use, benefiting the 4 villages and over 1,200 families of the district. We are committed to helping the people associated with us by providing clean water for human consumption and also water for irrigation and domestic use. The safe discharge of water back to the environment has served the needs of people living in and around the mine area. The farmers in this region were earlier dependent on rainwater and other water supplying sources, which was not enough to sustain the population of this district. The youth of the area now take pride in helping their families through farming and associated trades. This contributes in conservation of their tradition as well.
और ये कोल माइंस हमको पानी देने लगी, तो कोल माइंस से हमको पानी जब से मिलने लगा है तो समय से पानी मिल जाता है, अच्छी पैदावार हम ले रहे हैं। जब हमारी समय से पानी मिल जाता है तो अच्छी फसल आती है और अच्छा हम लोग उपयोग कर लेते हैं, उसमें हमको बहुत फ़ायदा है। हमारे
मिलता है तो अच्छी खेती होती है, दोनों फसल होती है, धान और गेहूं का। इसके पहले नहर का पानी मिलता था तो मुश्किल से 1-2 पानी मिलता था, तो खेती नहीं हो पाती थी, खाने के लिए पर्याप्त नहीं होता था और बाल बच्चे जो है शहर की ओर काम धंधा करने जाते थे। अब जब से ये काली का पानी बिना पैसे का मिल रहा है तो दोनों फसल बराबर खेती होती है।
मेरा नाम माया है, मैं पिपरिया के हूँ। खेती करने काली के पानी से पहले सूखी डाली रहती ज़मीन, अब है तो पानी चलने लगा जब से, तो खेती करने लगी, तो उसी मेरा जीवन है और मेरा कुछ हिल्ला नहीं है।
हाँ, हमार खेत है यहाँ, मोन नाव लक्ष्मण है, ऐसे खेती होती है पानी से। नहीं पहले वैसे डरे रहते रहे, बीजहा बहुत रहन बीजहो भर नहीं मिलत रहो, पे भी मसेरे धान गेहूँ सभी फरात जैसा ना तो हो।
पंप खुल गया तो खेती होने लगी।
अच्छा,
धान सब्जी भी लगाते हैं।
अच्छा, उपज अच्छी होती है?
अच्छी उपज होती है।
Water is indispensable for life. In fact, water is life. SCCL Johila area contributes to provide safe drinking water to over 400 families. The Municipal Corporation of Umaria helps in the disbursement of over 225,000 gallons of fresh water per day to colonies where clean and safe drinking water is scarce. In times of looming global crisis, SCCL Johila area proudly contributes in safeguarding what has always been our planet's most valuable resource, water. Water, basic, natural, pure, a symbol of life and well-being. SCCL Johila area, under CIL's corporate social responsibility, is ready to undertake many such projects. The lush green farms of Johila area, the bounty of fresh vegetables, the youth in the markets, all tell the story of this water from mind to mouth.